A total of 188,143 people have been affected by floods in Manipur following incessant rains in the aftermath of Cyclone Rimels, Awangbo Newmai Water Resources Minister said on Thursday. It has also damaged at least 24,265 houses in the last few days, he said. Altogether, 18,103 people have been evacuated and 56 relief camps were set up. Ministers for Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management Awangbo Newmai informed. In a post on Facebook, he said, held a brief meeting with the Additional Chief Secretary, Deputy Commissioner Imphal West and East, Directorate Relief and Disaster Management to review the flood situations and strategizing for immediate actions on relief, search and rescue operations. Around 401 hectares of crops has been affected too, he said. Relief materials have been distributed to Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, None, Churachandpur, Senapati and Kakching. The minister said, Newmai said 3 persons have died and 9 people suffer injuries while 1 is missing due to the floods that hit the states on May 29th. Chief Minister Biren Singh in a social media post added that a breach of river embankment occurred at 18 spots, of which 17 have been sealed. Flooding in the surrounding areas have been successfully brought under control, he said. The northeastern states have been lashed by heavy rains and thunderstorms triggered by the cyclones in the last few days. In view of severe flooding caused by the breaches in embankments along riverbanks, the government declares a 2-day public holiday for all states offices on Thursday till May 31st. Citizens have been urged to stay indoors unless faced with an emergency, according to an official's notifications.